The first step is to log into your YouTube channel and click Create. Click Go Live. You can immediately start live streaming, or you can schedule stream to start it at a later date. Click Create New. Click Add a title. Click to add a description. Click Next. Scroll down and click Yes, it's made for kids, or No, it's not made for kids. Scroll down and click Next. Scroll up and click Slow Mode if you want to add in wait time between sending messages. Type is the number of seconds for your desired wait time. Select Privacy Settings. Select Date and Time. Click Done. Click Share. Click Facebook. Log into your Facebook account. Now live stream link will show on your Facebook account for you followers to view. Click Share to news feed or story. That's it. You're done.